Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change the collection privacy settings on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner of the screen. So open the app, click on the three lines on the top and head over to settings on the bottom left. Then you can see privacy settings. Go ahead and tap on privacy settings, and right under private messages is your collection. So just go ahead and tap on my collection over here, and some of the settings which you can change is over here. So you can just go ahead and disable open my collections option over here, and you can also see some of the things over here like these type of products like all notes, boards and from album. So you can just go ahead and individually turn these collection privacy settings on or off according to your wish. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.